Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with closing commodity commentary for Tuesday. Sort of a mixed bag today. The cotton market still reeling lower, particularly old crop cotton, as profits are being booked ahead of tomorrow's supply-demand report. As you know, last Friday, the market took a pretty good stumble. We really couldn't recover at all yesterday and even closed lower. And today we tried to get up early, but we failed. As a matter of fact, the market has done a downside breakout on the charts. It's been following the cotton ladder, and it would suggest we're going to go down. Now, we do get supply-demand numbers out tomorrow, but those should be benign. I don't know they will make any major adjustments on the global or domestic supply demand data. The May supply report will be the one where they actually take a stab at the size of the crop. But I think the cotton market's wising up a little bit to the notion that we'll have more cotton acres by the time we get to the June plantings report, with corn bearing the brunt of that acres loss. Speaking of corn, it was up today. We continue to see a pretty stiff rally, short covering probably into the crop report, but also fears of some planting delays. As you might remember, a year ago, we had a very exceptionally warm and dry spring, late winter, and a lot of crops were planted. This year has been the reverse of that, and so we're seeing probably seeing a delay. They'll certainly get the corn crop planted, but make the frost dates all the more important. So corn up today, new crop September back above the 550 area, and we may try to rally a little bit more on those supply demand numbers tomorrow. Excuse me. We'll have to see how the USDA does justify their increase in the corn carryout. Of course, we'll get categories such as exports, ethanol, and animal feed usage tomorrow. Beans today also higher, a little oversold. There was talk that China bought couple of cargoes of beans. The South American crop, of course, should come to full bear on the market, but still having some logistic troubles down there. So the path of least resistance may be to buy the U.S. Supply. Also, a little bit of element about some business done also with South Korea. Wheat market was down today. Of course, it's been the leader the last few days. There was talk of very cold weather, even a freeze in some areas in the far western wheat belt. That certainly initiated a rally. Then we did sell several cargoes of wheat to China and again South Korea. So they've had some demand there, and wheat down today, understandably, on some profit taken. So tomorrow the supply-demand numbers come out. We'll see how those fare with the market. If you have any questions or comments, of course, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.